Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something epic to share. The world premiere of Xiaomi's newest flagship, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra Global version. Packed with a Leica 200 megapixels camera, Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and insane 80W wireless charging, this phone is a literal powerhouse. And guess what? It's 30% off right now, dropping from $1,998.57 to just $1,399. Let's dive into why this might be the best phone of 2024. First, let's talk about what makes this phone a beast. The Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform is built on a cutting-edge 3nm process. Translation: blazing fast performance, flawless multitasking, and buttery-smooth gaming. Pair that with 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, and you've got a phone that laughs at lag. Next up, this 6.73-inch WQHD Plus display. With 3,200 nits peak brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate, everything from Netflix binges to sunny day scrolling looks stunning. At 522 pixels per inch, even the tiniest text is razor sharp. Oh, and it's protected by Xiaomi's toughest glass yet. Now the camera. This is where the Xiaomi 15 Ultra shines. It's rocking a Leica quad camera setup, 350 megapixel sensors plus a 200 megapixels ultra telephoto lens. Whether you're shooting moonlit landscapes or zooming in on your dog's nose hairs, the detail is insane. And the 32 megapixels under display selfie cam? No more notch, just pure, uninterrupted screen glory. Battery anxiety? Not here. The 5,410 mAh surge battery lasts all day, and when you do need juice, 90W wired or 80W wireless HyperCharge gets you to 100% in minutes. Imagine charging your phone faster than you can finish your coffee. Software-wise, it runs Xiaomi HyperOS 2, super sleek, loaded with features, and supports OTA updates for years. Plus, the dual speakers with Dolby Atmos and high-res audio make movies feel like a theater experience. And for travelers, it's a global version with 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and eSIM support across dozens of countries. Guys, at $1,399, this is a steal for a phone that competes with 2,000 flagships. Whether you're a photography nut, a power user, or just want the best, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra delivers. Don't sleep on this deal, it won't last forever. Click the link below to grab yours now, and let me know in the comments. Would you upgrade to this beast? Smash like if you're impressed. Subscribe for more tech drops, and hit that bell so you never miss a deal. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.